don't know what is going on here. I was just in here doing some makeup to leave the house, and I have 3 grape Waterloos in here. That's a problem. I was watching a vlog and then I remembered, oh yeah, I used to vlog. So, hi. I have so many vlog clips on this SD card. Don't look at my eyebrows up close, they're so bad. Oh my gosh, people keep messaging me on Facebook Marketplace and they're like, hi, is this available? Because you know that's like the button that you click. And then I say, yeah, are you interested? And they never talk to me again. Like, are you well? I've been trying to sell all of our furniture because nothing fits in this house. Everything that we bought was like super oversized because our last home was very open. I feel like I've talked about this. If all of this vlog is just super redundant, I'm sorry, we're just catching up here. All of our furniture is huge, so we've had to sell pretty much everything. We had to sell our bed, our nightstands. I need to sell the kitchen table. We had to sell our dining chairs, everything. Our coffee table, literally everything has had to go. Buying new stuff is so expensive right now, so we're kind of just like living this life. Like, this is our bedroom right now. Mattress fully on the ground. We had to get a new mattress because our other one was a Casper mattress that I remember buying and being like, wow, this was such a good investment. This bed is so nice. It was like thousands of dollars for this mattress, and it was made of fiberglass. And we didn't know that until we moved, and the movers ripped like the cover of the mattress. That all Casper mattresses are like zipped in this cover that says like don't remove, and we removed it, and it was like all, I'll insert a picture of like one because I googled it. This is not our bed, but this is what it looked like. It just looked nasty and like dissolved, and it was fiberglass, and it was all over our room, all over our stuff. I don't know why this lighting keeps changing, but that's what I've been doing, trying to move into this house and make it feel like home on a $0 budget, because who can afford anything right now? Speaking of not being able to afford anything, I made a mistake. I purchased myself something. Since becoming a mom, I feel like I've lost myself a little bit. I've lost what little was left of my personality. And I love being a mom. Sunny is the best thing in the world. She's a sweet, perfect angel. But, oh my god, I can't take this lighting. We're moving. I'm on the bathroom floor, by the way. I decided that I was going to rebrand myself. I do this every year. This is like a me problem. At the end of the year, I'm like, you know what? We need to start the new year off right. I rebrand myself every December in hopes that the next year will be the best one yet for me. And so far, that's not worked out at all. Besides, like, this year's been the best ever because of Sunny, but it's also been the worst ever in certain areas. I go into December thinking, okay, I'm gonna get a head start because everybody else starts their rebrand or whatever resolutions in January, and I'm like, I'm gonna start in December so that I go into January already, you know, taking the world by storm. Does this ever work? No. Do I feel like it's going to every year? Yes, which is why I continue to do it. So my annual rebrand has kicked off, and I did make a list, and I was thinking I would take everybody along with me, maybe like make a TikTok and talk about what I'm doing each week. However, it is already December 5th and I have not posted anything, and that's one of my problems, is I don't ever do anything. I write it down. I have thousands of lists in my phone of things I want to do or want to post or want to create, and sometimes I even go as far as actually filming and creating something and then I don't post it. That's a problem. One of my things when I look at my year and like things that are bothering me now with my life and that I want to change is that I have no vibe anymore. Since becoming a mom, obviously, like, there's baby weight, there's a ton of different things. My body's just different. I am frumpy right now. Don't have any clothes that fit me. Not a single pair of jeans that I own fit me. Nothing fits me besides sweatpants. These sweatpants are all that fit me right now. And I wear sweatpants every single day. And I think that makes me feel bad about myself because, like, these are like $7 Walmart pants or something. Not that Walmart pants are bad, that's not what I'm saying, but do you know what I mean? Like, when you don't even match and you don't feel put together every single day. And like, my hair is always like this. This is what I look like every day. I never do my hair, I never do my makeup, I never do anything. I am a mom and I work from home, and I'm on the computer a lot, and I don't post videos of myself anymore, so what is the point? That's kind of my thought process. I decided I'm gonna start doing my makeup, I'm gonna start doing my hair just to feel better about myself, and I have done that. That is why my hair is down, although I just like got up and brushed it. This is not styled, but did my makeup. Hair is, I'll do something with it, but the outfit is not matching because I'm still looking frumpy. First of all, this stuff doesn't flatter me at all. These pants sit in the worst, like this waistband sits in the worst area and just like accentuates the baby weight. I decided for myself, I haven't bought myself an outfit, nothing. I bought myself 0 things since becoming a mom. Even like the year before, I hadn't bought myself anything. I decided on Black Friday I was gonna buy myself an outfit I've wanted for a long time because I thought if I did that, I would feel cute and put together. Oh, hold on. Yeah, but I have to leave in 10 minutes to take Ozzy. So hurry. So what did I do? I went to Aviator Nation and I put my little items in the cart. 2 outfits I was gonna buy. I put 2 items in the cart, or 4 items in the cart, and I was like, you know what? This is an expense for my sanity and happiness, and it's Black Friday. Everything is like 60% off. These outfits are like crazy expensive. However, I tried them on before at their Venice location and it was so cozy and I felt cute in it, and I never bought it. I put it back on the shelf after trying it on and I was like, I'll wait for a sale. That was like 5 years ago. And so I was like, you know what? I've done 0 things for myself. I'm like talking myself, like reasoning with myself to buy something. I bought it. Well, no, I let it sit in the cart all day. And then I got a notification that like my cart was gonna expire, so I went back to it and like thought about it again, and I went to hit checkout and one of the outfits, one piece, sold out in the size I wanted, so I took that one out and I just got 1 outfit and I bought it. I felt so excited in the moment, and then seeing that charge on my account, I was like, no, I need to return that. So it got here yesterday and I was like, I'm not even gonna open it, I'm gonna return it. Joke's on me because Aviator Nation will not accept returns when something is on sale. So now I'm stuck with this outfit that I feel horrible about buying. And so let's unbox it. All of this like 10-minute conversation to tell you, like, I bought a hat. I've only ever worn 1 hat. Why did I buy this hat? See, this is what I'm talking about. I have a problem. I thought I'll be a trucker hat girl. Is it cute though? I see all these cute girls that I follow wearing trucker hats and I was like, that could be cute because I never do my hair. Okay, let's see Miss Unreturnable. I don't even know if it's gonna fit though. I got a size large. I hope this changes my life actually. My hope was to like not look frumpy, but I don't know if this is gonna do that because it's size large, but also I think I might be a size large now. I'm gonna try it on because I can't return it, so like I have to wear it at this point. Aviator Nation really knew what she was doing when she was like, no returns. And why didn't I read that first too? This is like all my own fault. But also no returns on Black Friday. What if you're buying a gift for somebody and it doesn't fit them because they just had a child and they don't know their size anymore? The large is definitely large, but it's so soft. Like, I wouldn't wear the pants on their own. There's also a hole in them, so I wonder if they'll let me. I feel like this hat needs like to shape itself. Anyway, I have to go take this one to get his teeth cleaned. That's what I'm doing right now. I've also just been working on so many things I have to tell you about. We just need like a formal catch-up. Also, tell me if this hat looks stupid because I'll just give it to Jace. I follow this girl. She has a brand too. It's like Happy Little Mother. And she always wears trucker hats and she looks so cute. And who's the other girl? Allie, the hairstylist with like pink hair. I'm sure everybody follows her. She always wears trucker hats. And I'm like, cute, cute, cute. I want to be cute. I'm gonna take all my Waterloos out of here. Grape Waterloo, best flavor. Tastes like grape soda. I haven't even shown our house, like at all. I don't think. Well, I haven't vlogged, so obviously. Us girls are going to the Christmas tree lighting. Look at her hat. Are you kidding? Bonk. They're doing a Christmas tree lighting. So we're going to meet Jace. I really don't want to be going to this right now because I've had a really bad, really terrible, really no good day. It just has been a really bad day for me. I've had so much like family drama going on. I like need the AC on. I'm sweating. Oh my gosh, there's just so much, like I can't even talk about it because it's stressed me out. But I just, you know when you have like a bad day or like a really stressful week and then it's like you need to be laying horizontal, like you should not be leaving the house and doing anything. That's me right now. Sunny's feeling the same. The hat family. The sun is already going down and I'm just picking up my camera. I posted a video yesterday, kind of like my return, I guess, if you will, kind of talking about my rebrand that I'm doing for myself. I do this at the end of every year. Anyways, I talked about my rebrand and like how I need to rebrand my life before the new year. And it's already week 2. I didn't even film week 1, but week 2, I'm in the thick of it. And it's time to do like something that I'm dreading more than anything in this life, and that is organizing this closet without having like the tools. Do you know what I mean? Like this is a builder closet. I don't have any built-ins or anything in here and it needs to be organized. Please send help or prayers or something. I was in here yesterday and I'm actually really proud. Hold on, my iPad's dead because it, oh no, it has 7% left. My iPad is always dead. So I ended up getting like this section color coordinated yesterday. So it's kind of like t-shirts, and literally went through, look at this huge black trash bag of stuff. If I haven't worn it in like a year, I don't fit into it or anything, it went. So like there's some prized possessions in this bag that I'm like sad to see go, but I'm like, I keep doing this and I don't ever get rid of anything. So the stuff that made the cut is here. It goes from like vintage t-shirts to sweaters to crew necks. And then I have like these jean jackets are gonna move in a second. Then I have like hoodies because I think most of my closet is made up of hoodies. And I put them on this side so that when you come into the closet, they were all here, all my hoodies. And I was like, I don't like to see that. That just like looks, I don't know. That makes me feel like when I look into my closet and all I was seeing are like hoodies all over here, it's like, is that all you wear? And like, yeah, it is. But anyway, I'm in here. I gotta find a, there has to be an outlet in here, right? I'm just gonna be organizing and color coordinating. Yeah, that feels right. Anyways, if you're interested in seeing the series, I'll vlog, but also I'm kind of paying more attention to TikTok and Instagram with these videos. So I'm doing my rebrand. Actually, I'll post right here what I already did for week 1 and what week 2 is. But for week 3, you're gonna have to go find me on Instagram. Week 3 is gonna be my favorite week because it's just like more fun, more creative things like my calendar and stuff. I'm excited for that. Why did these make the cut? Like, does a 30-year-old mom need to be wearing these? And the answer is yes. These are stretchy, so like I could probably wear these right now and I would just look kind of like, these are a size small. Maybe those are getting thrown out. We're getting our life together before the new year because it just makes more sense to do that. Like, don't wait until January 1st to start your life over or whatever it is you're doing. Like, start now. Start January with a color coordinated closet that has been fully purged. Like, I'm going full Emma Chamberlain right now. Everything is leaving except my pretty jackets. Those are staying. That's what I'm doing for the rest of today. I think we're gonna make grilled cheese sloppy joes for dinner. That sounds so good. And then tomorrow Jace is having an event that I am like decorating for. So that'll be maybe in next week's vlog because this one needs to end. I've just been like randomly vlogging and I need to cut it here. So we'll see you in the next one, and yes, I will be uploading next week. Okay, bye.